Big ball in the lead now. I'm fatigue now. Yeah, with me now. Hold up. Big killing on you. That's a fact. Body really down you. That's a fact. Oh, friends saying ain't nothing new. Competition saying
my bathroom. Hey guys, today I am going to be dyeing my hair jet black. Now it has been I don't remember, but I want to say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 months since I last dyed my hair. So it's long overdue and my hair is looking a little dusty. If you guys can't tell, let's not get too up close and personal. But I'm going to be using the Dark and Lovely Fade Resist hair dye in the color Jet Black, number 371. This is what I'm going to use here. I did get 2 boxes because I have a lot. If you know me, I have a lot of hair. It's very thick. I have 4C hair, and for those of you who do have 4C hair, you guys know that 4C hair is no joke. So I did get 2 boxes and I am going to apply them. I'm going to use the dye, of course, and gloves. That's all the materials that I'm going to need for this hair experiment. So yeah, let's go. Putting on my gloves. And you can use any gloves that you have around the house. I really don't think it makes a difference. These are the gloves I usually use when... Why does it feel like that? Is it on the wrong? Ugh, guys, look at me. I put it the wrong way. So I have my gloves on. All right. So in the box, you get the Care Conditioner Cream Developer. And you also get the Rich Conditioning Color. You take off the top of the developer. This is the cream developer. And you pour the entire contents of the color into the developer. That's what you see me doing here. And shake. Now it says use immediately, but I'm going to let it set for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I think that's good. And in the meantime, I am going to prep my hair. Now to prep the perimeter, basically to protect it from staining and the color from staining my forehead and my edges and all that good stuff. So in order to do that, I'm going to apply some Vaseline, the good old faithful Vaseline, around my ear area and around my hairline. Just like you were applying a relaxer or perm. And I'll be back to apply the color. I already have my hair sectioned off. As you guys can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections. I already have it sectioned off, so I'm going to put all of these sections up. Well, you know what? Let's start here. Let's start at this one here. So I'm going to put these away so I don't have to deal with them. It is better to work in sections so that you can thoroughly apply the product and you don't have to worry about missing any spots. So I'm going to unbraid this section and start to apply the product. Now look at this. I thought I was playing. I thought I was lying. Alrighty. Here goes nothing. Now, even if it's sectioned off, I'm going to section this section into sections. All right, so you pop this top off, the tip of it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is very, very dark. So let it sit. I know it says use immediately, but let it sit for a couple of minutes so you can get the best results. Y'all see that thing flew right in the sink. So you can take the tip of it off and just start going, guys. Put it in my hand and start to apply it directly to the hair. And it also says like when the hair is, you can't do this on clean hair. I mean, you can, but the results may not be up to par. So try to do this on dirty hair. I'm basically done with this application, you guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a plastic cap over my head. It says to leave it for about 30 minutes, not about for 30 minutes, but I have to do something, so it's probably going to be longer. It's probably going to be longer than 30 minutes, so I'll go ahead and do that, rinse it out, and I'll come and show you guys the results. Here are the results. As you can see, my hair looks beautiful. My curls are still intact. The color is very rich and vibrant, and I am in love. There's no dullness. Everything is exactly how it needs to be. So as far as this product goes, I definitely do see myself using it again in the very near future. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to hit the like button, and also please subscribe. Help your girl out. Share this video with your friends and your family, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support thus far, and I am so excited to continue this journey with you all. Bye.